One bowl of fresh chicken. The spices start to blend with yogurt, ginger, garlic. The flavor will extend. We cover it and wait now for 1 hour on the side, for biryani's deep essence, in which we now confide. The cashews and the onion are golden in the ghee. We set them out for topping, for all the world to see. In the pot, the fresh masala, the chicken starts to shine with crimson chili powder, a taste that is divine. The Basmati is soaking. The time is running low. It cooks until it's 60. A perfect gentle flow. The layers start their stacking. The rice above the meat, with nuts and fragrant onions, a truly special treat. We wrap the lid in foil now and seal the waiting steam. 25 minutes pass by, fulfilling every dream. Low heat for all the flavor. The dum is now complete. From gloved and garnished kitchen, a biryani hard to beat. One bowl of fresh chicken. The spices start to blend with yogurt, ginger, garlic. The flavor will extend. Cover it and wait now for 1 hour on the side. For